Making money while you sleep, passive income, can take a long time and a lot of work to build. But with AI art, AI tools, we can rapidly speed up that work and that progress to build it sooner. So to build passive income with AI art, we can either use the art we create, use the knowledge behind that, or go beyond these platforms. So here's a few ways to do it. Using the art, we can try print on demand. With print on demand, you basically upload your artwork onto a platform or something such as Redbubble or Zazzle or something like that. As those products sell, they will print your design onto the product and ship it automatically. You don't have to touch a thing. You just get your markup at the end of the sale. The most famous platform for this would be Redbubble. However, they have recently introduced fees to people not selling a lot of products. So you may want to check out something else such as Zazzle or even Amazon Merch or Spreadshirt if you want to try and sell using print on demand. A quick disclaimer, the images that you create will not actually be big enough to use on print on demand, so you will need to find an AI upscaler to make them larger. You can use a free service like upscale.media, which does a decent job at 4xing your images, but the Topaz gigapixel upscaler, which you pay for and download, can 6 times and does a far superior job, and you can even do it with the images in bulk. So you can choose one way or the other to upscale your images before you start trying to sell them. You can also go to stock photo and stock graphic sites and sell your images there. Big places like 123RF, Pond5, or even Deposit Photos. Or you can use a really powerful tool called Wirestock to upload to a whole bunch of them all at once. Now, Wirestock are actually the sponsor of this video. They actually reached out to me when I was already looking into them as a tool, and they got a pretty powerful service. So the way it works, I just need an image that I can upload. So I'm in Midjourney here, and I've created these images of some modern mansions. I'm going to upscale number 1 and number 4. I now have them both. I'm going to click on these to open them in the browser and download them. Once I've downloaded those images, I can head to upscale.media and upscale these for free. I can only go up to 4 times with this, or I can use Topaz Gigapixel to upscale them by 6 times, drag them in, and get a far better result that way, and more likely to sell if I have a higher resolution image. I check the quality of the image. I then save my images as JPEGs. I then log into my Wirestock account where you can see my portfolio here. I go to upload from computer. I choose the images I created, click open. Now my 2 images are uploaded. I can actually select all of them at once. And all I need to do, if it's AI art, is head down to additional info, type in AI generated. And when I go to post, it'll submit to a bunch of marketplaces. I simply hit post, and Wirestock does the rest of the job for me. It will actually add the tags, it'll add the descriptions. All I need to do is upload, add in AI generated into the additional info, and that's it. You do get your own individual portfolio. You can actually sell directly from Wirestock, including selling prints. But essentially you get 85% of all the sales, and Wirestock takes 15% for the sort of the listing and the automation behind their service. Now, it's free to sign up and start with Wirestock, but you can get more submissions by signing up for their premium service, which is actually pretty cheap. Use the coupon code WADE at checkout and you'll receive a 20% discount on your purchase. And so it's pretty cool. You submit it once, it goes to a number of the best stock site platforms, and so you get to save a ton of time and get a lot more exposure for your AI artwork. They also host some cool AI photo challenges on their site as well, so check that out for a bit of fun. But overall, a great service. I'd check out Wirestock using the link in the description below. Really awesome service if you're looking to generate some passive income. And while we're talking about using our art, especially if you upscale it, you can create digital packs such as texture packs or sort of elements you can sell on your website or online store. You can sell things such as printables on Etsy. A lot of people sell art on Etsy, little printables that you can download and print for yourself. There's a whole bunch of different areas you can sell your art as long as you can find a good marketplace to do it, and you can make some passive income because once it's made, it will auto deliver and you just collect the money at the end of the day. What about selling your knowledge of AI art? One thing you can do is you can start a YouTube channel and start talking about AI art, generate a bit of income from the ads. Or you can create things such as ebooks or online courses, sell those for a premium and make some passive income that way. There are a lot of people out there making money off simply showing people how to use these tools, showing people advanced techniques, helping them create and craft better prompts. And a lot of people are making a lot of money by then funneling these sort of their viewers or readers onto products. Like I said, courses, ebooks. It could even be other products. It could be affiliate marketing. It could be products that you sell that someone else has put together using their knowledge. So you can actually create content and sell other people's products to make a passive income as well. So you get to use not just your knowledge, but other people's knowledge and get a commission for the products you sell for them. If you find a product you want to sell, just check the footer of their website or send them an email asking if they have an affiliate program to start with affiliate marketing as well. Combine this with YouTube, a blog, or maybe Instagram, TikTok, something like that, where you can share your tips and you'll be able to reach people and promote those products more easily. Finally, think outside of these platforms. How can you use AI art in a larger scope? There are many different avenues. A lot of the stuff we've talked about can actually be applied. If you're talking about creating digital products such as templates or packs, you can sell the art straight up, or you can combine the art with your actual digital art talents or skills to create even better products. Consider template packs. You can create Instagram post template packs or carousel template packs, YouTube thumbnail packs like I sell on my website. You can create any kind of design pack and use AI art as part of the design process to create unique templates that you can sell that have the AI art elements within them, just to add a little bit of spark to it. Some people have gone as far as creating books or graphic novels with their AI art, uploading them to Amazon, where you can actually get the print on demand books that they sell there. And on top of that, with your affiliate marketing, there's tools that are really useful for AI artists. I actually make a decent amount of commission selling Photoshop because I have a few tutorials that show you how to combine AI art together in Photoshop to create more unique art from various elements. Any other tools you can use beyond that can be used in an affiliate marketing campaign that exist outside of AI art, but will help you enhance what you've created with it. Now, to put this all together, you've just got to be able to reach people. Get a social media following going, build your audience, like I said, create something on YouTube or whatever to reach more people, or learn how to advertise and maybe get some people clicking through with ads and joining your email list. Any way you can get yourself or your knowledge in front of more people and use that to promote your products will help increase your passive income, and that way you can actually grow and start to scale whatever it is you're making online by reaching more people and selling these products. Ultimately, anywhere where you can use an image to make money to sell with that is actually suitable for AI art, you can actually use your brain to think of a way to create a product and generate a passive income. So that's the video for today. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like. If you have any ideas or anything you want to add to this, please leave a comment below so other people can benefit. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.